great day, guys. And it's not just because I got to order a cake for this video. It's because I'm here to talk to you about one of our biggest updates ever. UPI 2.0. If you haven't already heard, you can now link your bank account on FamApp and make UPI payments directly from your bank account. This update also comes with some super cool features, so let's cut right into it. Okay. Let's pretend this cake is UPI 2.0 and every slice is a feature that you've been craving. Here's the first and best slice of all, bank account linking. Bank account khol liya? Great. Now you can link it directly on FamApp and make UPI payments from your bank account, just like any other UPI app. Here's how you can link it. Head to the new bank tab on FamApp, click on Link Bank Account. Do a quick SIM binding by sending an SMS. Once that's done, click on Link Bank Account. Select the bank link to your phone number and done. You can now start making UPI payments directly from your bank account. By the way, as soon as you link your bank account, you'll get a new @YesFam UPI ID and a new QR code which will specifically be linked to your bank account. Okay, now that the linking is done, guess what you just unlocked? Zero limits. जैसे ही आप बैंक अकाउंट लिंक करोगे, your payment limits disappear when you make UPI payments from it. So pay as much as you want from your bank account. Your bank balance is your only limit now. Now for the slice you've all been fighting for. Here's Autopay. All of your subscriptions can now automatically be paid with Autopay. Just set them up once and forget about them. Here's how to do it. When purchasing any subscription, add your new @YesFam UPI ID to make the payment. You'll receive an Autopay request on FamApp, which you just have to accept. Now choose the bank account from which you want these automatic payments to be made. Congratulations, you just set up Autopay. You can also manage your Autopay settings anytime by simply going to your bank tab and finding it under Payment Settings. Here, you can view pending autopay requests, inactive autopays, and active autopays. Under active autopays, you'll also find the option to pause or cancel any of them. Okay, we're down to the last two slices. Here's number 4, UPI number. Your phone number can now be your UPI ID, guys. This means anyone can send you money using just your phone number and it will go straight to your bank account. To set up UPI number, just head to the bank tab and click on UPI number. Now just click Link to FamApp, then Confirm, and that's it. And now for the final slice of UPI 2.0, self-transfer. With self-transfer, you can now send money from your FamX wallet to any of your linked bank accounts and vice versa. You can also send money from one of your linked bank accounts to another. Anything you want, you can do it right here on FamApp. And there you have it, guys, all 5 features of UPI 2.0. Each feature unlocks when you link your bank account, and if you're old enough to have a bank account, you'll be able to see it on FamApp. So go ahead, make your wishes come true. Link your bank account on FamApp and see what all the fuss is about. We can't wait to hear what you think. Have you not cut yet?